changing too much fast. Our ability to cope with the demand of time, with the demands of the market, with the demands of our customers. And with the demand of a new standard to be living. Cannot really cope with these demands. In fact, there are so many works out there, there are so many industries out there that demand different set of skills. However, we are not ready to take these jobs because we are not equipped to take these roles. Data science is in the heart of it all. Data science is at the center of these industries. Because data is the new oil and it powers our ability to understand trends. It powers our ability to cope with the different opportunities. And so because of these demands, and because of our lack of skills and knowledge, what we have to do is that we're going to equip ourselves. We are not going to wait for our employers. We are not going to wait for our government to equip us, because first and foremost, it is our duty, it is our responsibility to develop ourselves. I'm providing you the fundamental skills and knowledge to take the lead and grab the opportunities that pertain to data. Because in this new world, in this new normal, we need someone like you who can do the job.